In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the basic wealth step-by-step video. I mean, not video, but a page so you can get started. You're going to need Leads Leap up here. If you don't have a Leads Leap account, just ask me for my link. There's a free version, and with the basic page that I'm going to show you so that you can get started quickly or right away is free. Free members can earn 25% commissions on upgraded members. I highly recommend you upgrading to Pro member because there's lots of benefits. There's a cutoff period, a promotional period, but I recommend upgrading as soon as possible. It's only $20 if you take the immediate upgrade. After the promo ends, it's $27 a month. But it's still a good cost because you're going to be using Leads Leap a lot to create your capture pages. There's a autoresponder included. The free version does not allow you to use the autoresponder for follow-ups. You can capture leads or names and email addresses and do broadcasts, but there's limited broadcasts you can do. And like I said, there's no follow-up features. So again, if you can afford it, $20 a month, upgrade to Pro. Now, this is what you're going to see when you log in to Leads Leap. Go down to Page Manager. You're not going to see all this stuff. I've been using this for quite a few years, but you want to click on add a new page campaign, and we'll call it, well, step by step. You can name it whatever you want. This is one of the capture pages redirect link or redirect page. So that's why I suggested you name it thank you page. Since I already have a thank you page and a thank you page 1, I'm going to make this thank you page demo. Click on add now. So now we have the step-by-step thank you page demo. Click on add a new page design to start. And I gave you a share code. So copy and paste the share code right here. Import now. And click on Launch Editor. And there you have your page. It's easy as that. Now all you have to do is edit the page. So this one you don't need. If you click here, it highlights this box here. You don't have to change this. This leads to a generic video that they have, and within that video there's 3 other videos at the bottom. This is the page that you saw. Okay, so nothing to do here. On this box here, click on it and make sure there's this dotted lines around. Okay, change my name to your name, and the place you do that is right off to the side here. If it's a little small for you, you can zoom in. If you're using a desktop or laptop, hold on your control key as you scroll up. So to change your name, just simply click your left mouse button, hold it down and highlight that and change it to your name. Okay, so your name will appear here. And when they click on this button, it goes to a new tab. and just click here and go all the way to the end and change this last 6 digits, or this last part here, to your username, or yeah, your username or your link. Okay, scroll down until you come to this block here, or this bar here. Click on that so you can see this dotted line going around, and edit your name here, right here. Join the Facebook group. Tell them, left click, hold it down, hold your left mouse button down, and scroll across and enter your name. If you want to hide the Leads Leap logo from your page, click on here, hide. I usually hide it. And once you have all of that done, verify again this box here, your name and your link, and this box here, change your name. What this does is allows your prospect to join the Facebook group by clicking here, and they're going to be asked who invited them. So you want to put you want to let them know that you invited them, and that's it. Like I said, after this all of this is done, just click on save up here on the top. Okay, click on save, and you'll see it's processing, and the work is saved. Okay, then you go back to the other tab. The upgraded or a pro member, you can change this link. A free member can only use this link here the way it is. So to use this link, a pro member won't have this bottom one, as it says pro. A free member, you can only use this link here and use it. Click on use, copy and paste the link here. The upgraded member, you can click on this little box here, enter a browser title, whatever you want to see showing on the browser window, and this custom slug is the one that pro members only can change. It must be minimum characters, letters, digits, and hyphen only. Minimum 8 characters, yeah. Okay. So you can change this to, this is a demo come down and hit save. Okay. And once you click on save, refresh your page, and your link is now, this is a demo. Okay, click on that, and you can use this, copy and paste it.